Welcome to a detailed exploration of Athena's cutting-edge SaaS platform, a space where fintech innovation shines. Our guiding principle, Lease Smart, Grow Smart. Now let's dive into the process of creating a new lease. In this session, we'll be your guiding companion as we navigate through the steps of setting up and activating leases in Athena. Let's kick things off. To initiate a new lease, select New Contract and Lease on the Contracts page. Click the green plus sign to effortlessly create a new customer. A new window opens up for you to record customer details. Alternatively, select from existing customers where the bill to address and install location default. To add a new installed location, click on the green plus sign. Similar to new customer, a new window opens up for you to record the installed location. To add a new vendor, click on the green plus sign. Once again, similar to customer and installed location, a new window opens up for you to record vendor details. Alternatively, select an existing vendor, enter the lease term, asset cost, and periodic payment amount. The payment frequency defaults to monthly, and the payment rule defaults to advance but can be updated if needed. The asset type will default if only one is selected under global settings. The payment start date defaults to the start date when payments are in advance. For simple contracts, now you have the option to quickly activate the contract without further modifications. Or you can go ahead and make changes, review and update the payment schedule. You can add new payments. Select the payment type as fee or rent, along with the periodic payment amount. For fees, the number of payments is set to 1, and for rent, it defaults based on the contract term and payment frequency. Review the updated payment schedule with details by date. You can add multiple assets to a lease. Enter asset details or update existing assets. The amortization schedule is automatically generated for review before activation. The final amortization schedule is generated during activation. Once the lease details are complete, activate the lease. After activation, the invoices, transactions, accounting entries, and payment code details become visible. Your interest in Athena SaaS platform is genuinely appreciated. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Lease Smart, Grow Smart with Athena.